To all known and unknown, consciously and unconsciously, souls, vessels, entities, and vibrations, I forgive all and all forgive me. Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for the parts of me that needed to heal while in the presence of these experiences. Thank you and much gratitude. Peace, love, and light to you. I release all that's not meant for my soul's rise and our journey and this mission of love and light. I extend love and light energy to all that is in my experience on this earthly plane and other planes that I choose not to remember. I forgive all my hurt. I forgive all my pain. I forgive all my worries. I forgive all my shame. Negative thought patterns I forgive, and I send and transform all energy sent forth to me into loving, positive, progressive energy. I forgive those that unconsciously send negative, low vibrational tendencies, emotions, actions to gain validation, energy, etc. I release the idea of thoughts of people pleasing. I release jealousy. I release the need to be right, and I release the idea of selfishness. I replace these habits, tendencies, emotions, and thoughts with love, light, forgiveness, unconditional love, clarity, honesty, fairness, structure, vitality, responsibility, fearlessness, confidence, purity, and uphold my morals and values as the divine feminine goddess that I am. Ashe, 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 so mote it be, and it is done. Sending love and light to you on your journey.
Let's all restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.